Launched this new series of Pulsar bikes. This is called the AS series, that is the Adventure Sport series. The basic philosophy behind launching these bikes is that a customer insight that we have looked into says that there are certain customers who want to have a multi-purpose, multitasker kind of a profile, where they work hard and play hard. So they need a motorcycle that will cooperate with them, that will help them to work hard and play hard during the week, in the city, and in the weekend on their adventures outside. So this is the Adventure Sport, which is launched in two sizes, which they call it Pulsar 200 AS and the Pulsar 150 AS. So the basic features of this bike are that, like always, we have a digital twin spark ignition. It's a triple spark engine, 4-valve DTSI engine, and the 200 AS delivers an awesome 23.5 PS power, and the Pulsar 150 AS delivers an awesome 17 PS power. It comes with huge features like these, the perimeter frame. It comes with liquid cooling. It comes with attractive colors, which is in black, blue, and red. So these are primarily the key features as far as the 200 AS and 150 AS are concerned. I think it comes with, the bike is absolutely safe. It is a very, very easily maneuverable bike. It comes with a perimeter frame, like we said. Therefore, you can, maneuver the trickiest of roads with elan. And it's got these very nice braking systems. It's got disc brakes on both front and rear wheel. As far as the 200 is concerned, it comes with a one disc brake in the 150 AS. So it's absolutely very well maneuverable, very well controlled, and very nice to handle on the road. Sure, Bajaj in its portfolio has got very many mileage bikes. But today we are launching the Pulsar AS. So the owner of a Pulsar AS looks for something, some kind of a thrill. He looks for something which he can adventure with. He's looking for a sporty bike. So today, of course, is not the discussion on mileage per se. It is more about the brand, the power, the features, the quality, etc.